Seas 3 to 4 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Thursday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 3 to 5 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Now, one of the things that impressed me when I first opened it and took it out of the box was the weight. This thing's got some weight to it, and so that tells me that quality components were used in making this radio. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Midland Emergency Crank Weather Alert Radio. Give you a quick look around the radio itself. It's a very impressive radio with multiple features. And of course, in my opinion, one of the most important features is the hand crank in an emergency situation when you don't have power. When you open the battery compartment, this is what you'll see. It has the internal lithium ion, and then you'll need 4 AA batteries to install yourself. To charge this radio, you can use the AA batteries. This radio has the internal lithium ion rechargeable battery as well. You can use the hand crank. When you open this flap on the end, you can use the USB to charge it as well. In a power outage situation, you can use the solar charger on top of the radio. The radio comes with an extendable antenna. Radio comes with a light as well, with a power button at the top. Push it once, you get low. Push it again, high beam. And right there, that is SOS. And you never know when you might need that in an emergency situation. The controls on the front of the radio are easy to use. You've got these 2 buttons to tune it. You have your volume controls. You have a weather alert button. And what this will do is when you do have alerts, it will automatically pick up and play those alerts. And your power button and your band selector, simply press it to turn it on. There is your FM, press it again, weather, press it again for AM. Midland is a very trusted name in radio equipment, has been for years. In an emergency situation, you can charge your smartphone with the USB port. One feature that this radio has that I have not seen on other radios is it has an ultrasonic dog whistle. So right there you can see the dog symbol in the LED screen. So if search and rescue was looking for you with dogs, that would enable them to help to find you. I also really like the handle to help you carry it, or you can even use that to strap it on the back of a backpack or something like that.
Seas 3 to 4 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Thursday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 3 to 5 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Friday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. A chance of thunderstorms in the morning. A chance of showers. Saturday, east winds 10 to 15 knots.
In my personal opinion, I think a hand crank weather radio for your emergency kit is extremely vital. I live in coastal North Carolina. We've just begun hurricane season. I have to have a device such as this Midland radio for emergencies. So if you are looking at this Midland radio, I hope you found the video helpful.